Salve. In this video we're going to learn about second declension neuter nouns. Second declension neuter is very similar to second declension masculine with only a few changes. We've already seen that some first declension nouns came into English and kept their singular and plural endings, such as larva and larvae. And some second declension masculine nouns do the same thing, such as cactus and cacti. Second declension neuter nouns will end with a um in the singular and an a in the plural. Some of the English words that have kept those endings are bacterium and bacteria, datum and data, stratum and strata, and medium and media. Some of these words are rarely used in the singular in English. Datum, for example, means one bit of information, whereas data means multiple pieces of information and is obviously a lot more commonly used. Okay. So the endings for second declension neuter are fairly simple. They are I, o, o, a, orum, is, a, and is. So you'll notice that these are the same as the masculine endings, except for the nominative singular being a um, and the nominative and the accusative plural both being an a. Other than that, it'll do the same thing that second declension masculine did. So let's have a couple of examples. First, we'll try bellum, belli, which means war. Belligerent and antebellum are words we get from this. We'll do what we did for all nouns we learned so far. Take the ending off the genitive and add the new endings. So we'll drop the I from belli and change it to bello, bellum, bello, bella, bellorum, bellis, bella, and bellis. Easy enough. Alright, one more. The word is vestigium, vestigii, which means trace, track, or footprint. We get vestige and investigate from this. The other forms are vestigio, vestigium, vestigio, vestigia, vestigiorum, vestigiis, vestigia, and vestigiis. All right. Two things that you should remember about neuter gender. First, for all neuter forms in Latin, the nominative and the accusative plural will end with an a. And second, the accusative singular will always copy the nominative singular. So whatever you have in the nominative, just repeat it in the accusative. These two things are actually true of all neuter nouns, regardless of their declension, as well as all neuter pronouns and neuter adjectives. All right, that is it for second declension neuter nouns. Let me know if you have any questions. Wale.